If Google Drive is giving you an error when downloading files, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your files downloading again. We'll cover simple refreshes, connection checks, browser cleanup, and a few settings that often cause Drive downloads to fail. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. All right, let's get into it. First, try the easiest fix, refresh Google Drive. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R if you're on Windows or Command and R if you're on Mac. Then try the download again. A lot of the time, temporary Google Drive issues clear up after a simple refresh, and the file will start downloading normally. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable. If your connection is dropping even a little bit, Google Drive downloads can fail, pause, or show an error message. If needed, reconnect to your network, restart your router, or test another connection and then try the download again. Now let's move on to a very common fix, download smaller batches. If you're trying to download a huge folder or too many files at once, Drive may struggle to create the zip file properly. Instead of selecting everything at once, choose fewer files and download them in smaller groups. This often solves the problem right away, especially when larger downloads keep failing. If you still see an error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cookies and cached images and files, then restart your browser completely. Old browser data can sometimes conflict with Google Drive and cause download errors, so this step is very important. After that, try using Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, use Command, Shift, and N. Then open Google Drive again and try downloading your file. Incognito mode is useful because it disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browser session, so if a corrupted session or extension is causing the issue, this can fix it fast. If the download still isn't working, temporarily disable extensions, VPNs, and download managers. Ad blockers and VPNs are some of the most common reasons Google Drive downloads get interrupted. Turn them off for a moment, refresh Drive, and test the download again. If that solves it, you'll know one of those tools was interfering. Another thing to check is your device storage. If your computer doesn't have enough free space, the download may fail before it finishes. Open your storage settings and make sure you have enough room for the file, especially if you're downloading large videos, folders, or zip archives. Freeing up disk space can make a big difference. If none of those fixes work, try signing out of Google and signing back in, or test the file in another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is tied to a specific browser profile rather than Google Drive itself. You can also try a different device if you need to confirm whether the problem is local to your computer. So to quickly recap, if Google Drive gives you an error while downloading files, refresh the page, check your internet, download in smaller batches, clear cache and cookies, try incognito mode, disable extensions or VPNs, and make sure your device has enough storage. One of those steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.